Okay, so we got a 1970 VW, and it's a two-tone. Sorry about the music. I don't like that music. Anyway, but nice colors though on the collar. Look at the colors. Oh, it's got a different kit in it. It's got another kit in it, so the back end's done different. So it's made to look like a two-seater. Well, it is a two-seater. Might as well be a two-seater the way they are. There's not a lot of room in the back seats anyway. You got a lot of trunk room now. So you see the stance on that? That makes this thing really alters the whole body style a great deal. It makes it look a lot better. This is a nice color combination. That beige goes well with that. I don't know what you call that, like kind of like a copper burgundy, something like that. I don't know which color. It's a color I can't really say what it's not a brown. It's not a gold. It's not an orange. It's sort of like a burnt copper, maybe, but also a little bit of purple in it. Looks like the stock hood latch, trunk lid, and the stock fenders. That back end, I don't know how they did that. They had to graft it in there or something. I don't know if that's fiberglass or what. I mean, I'm going to do this. Is that fiber? Steel. How did you do that?
A lot of work.
Huh? Are you kidding me? This is totally custom made? That's totally custom made? This is totally custom made? This is not a kit or nothing?
You made it.
I was saying to myself,
Oh, that's not fiberglass, this is steel.
yeah, I hear that. I hear that. This is totally custom made.
We'll cut it off about here, and from here up about halfway to the windshield is all me.
Holy smokes.
And then we take the back window.
I seen the back ends with fiberglass, but I was thinking there's something different about this.
No,
This looks so freaking great.
if there was a kit available, I would have used it.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, the back windows are gone.
You just gave a guy. You just gave the kit manufacturers great ideas.
No, I never.
No, I mean if they would see this, they'd say we got to sell that.
They made a two-window VW right after World War II. It was called a head muller.
Yeah.
And it was a convertible, but they never made a sedan. And I'm
Wow.
from Minnesota. Convertibles.
This thing's awesome. This is awesome. I can't believe that. That's a lot of artisan work. Oh yeah. Wow.
Just
Yeah.
the door panels, a lady in Colorado made those for me.
Wow. That is sweet as all hell. Got a lot of room in here. Big speakers.
You will not find where we cut it. This
No.
is out here.
No, look at that. Smooth as all hell. God.
It's all steel.
Wow.
There's the binder, to cover up your welds and stuff.
Oh, yeah,
There's
but-
a little filler.
Not much.
But
That is smooth as slick. I mean, I can't tell anything. God. What color?
One of those projects
what-
where you can only work on it so long.
Yeah.
You get sick of it.
What color is this? What color is this?
The color, this is a bench mix.
Okay.
And then this is a bulbous color here.
So this is a custom color completely.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say I couldn't really.
The seats are out of a Dodge.
I couldn't pinpoint the color. I was saying it's sort of like a. It's sort of like a little bit of a burgundy and a burnt orange mixed together with
a bench mix. You
Yeah.
You mix it and you look at it and go,
Yeah.
well, that looks pretty good. I want a little darker.
Yeah.
Put some black in.
I love this color. I love this color, man.
And you know what? I had this car about a year ago. I had it repainted for this color, not that one, but just this color.
Yeah.
They matched it so well. They use a computer.
Oh, they got these computers. Yeah. Yeah.
Something.
Yeah.